In this video, I'm sharing a Mother's Day cake design idea. You'll see how to make a chocolate wreath, buttercream tulips with a Russian tip, piping rosettes on the side of the cake, and filling in with special little touches. So stay tuned. Now start by tracing a circle the same size as your cake onto waxed or parchment paper. Melt 1 3/4 ounces of chocolate. Drizzle the chocolate over the circle pattern. Make 2 so you'll have a backup and you can use the extra as a filler. Now put this in the freezer. You'll need a batch of buttercream. You might want to try my Italian meringue buttercream recipe, it's really good. You'll need to make a few colors. You're going to need dark mossy green, using a combination of green colors. I'm using moss green, juniper, and leaf.
Perfect.
Next, mix a small amount of buttercream with violet to make a dark purple.
Perfect.
Pink is next for the tulips, and you'll need a little white for the center of the tulips. The cake I'm using here is my strawberry cake with lemon filling and Italian meringue buttercream. The links are below and at the end of the video for you. Now frost your cake lightly with the green. Sparkle some gold sugar crystals on the top, and then start your rosettes. Begin with the dark green rosettes along the bottom edge of the cake using a star tip. I'm using a 22, you can use 22 or a smaller one. The next row is slightly lighter. The top row is lighter still. Pipe a border around the base. I'm doing simple stars here, and I'm using the same 22. Remove the chocolate from the freezer and peel it off of the wax paper and place it onto the cake. If it breaks, don't worry. No one will know, as it will be covered for the most part by flowers. Put the remaining one back in the freezer. Now you can add the tulips. Check out my tutorial on using Russian tips to make tulips. I'll put a link down below and at the end of the video. Fill in with number 352 leaves. Next, fill in with little purple wisteria with the number 101 tip. If the chocolate starts to soften, as mine did from the heat, put it back in the fridge for a while. I'm using the second chocolate piece to fill in a little and give the arrangement more depth. Finally, add the white flowers using a 59 tip. Little gold dragées finish off the flowers, and a gold enjoy sign adds a really nice touch. If you'd like a copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes and your buttercream questions answered, follow the links below to Wedding Cakes For You website and sign up for Cakes with Lorelei, and I'll send you a newsletter once a month and keep you updated on the latest happenings. Happy Mother's Day to all of the moms watching, and have a beautiful day. See you in the next video.